Nature is a precious gift so rare, a boundless love for all to share. It paints our lives in hues so bright, filling every moment with pure delight. We cherish rivers, flowers, and trees. Embracing nature sets us free. It nurtures us in countless ways, a loving gaze, a warm embrace. Without it, life feels so incomplete, the earth adorned in green so sweet. With thorns and flowers, it does bloom, like colors blending in a dreamlike tune. Come, let's protect this treasure dear, honor nature, keep it near. With animals, birds, and humans in glee, nature's music flows endlessly. Trees, rivers, skies so blue, let's preserve this world anew. Let the air be fresh, the water pure, the sky serene, the earth secure. Respect the environment, make it thrive, so our beautiful world stays alive. Let's spread the message of love and peace. May harmony in our hearts increase. Together we will make the earth divine and forever cherish nature's sign. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more insightful content.